Explore the tundra, the icy landscape that polar bears call home. Polar bears prefer to live in areas where the annual sea ice meets the water. Since polar bears spend most of their lives on the sea ice bordering the Arctic Ocean, they're technically classified as marine mammals. However, they're the only marine mammal in the entire world with powerful legs that allow them to walk or run for miles on land. Because they spend so much time near or in the water, polar bears are excellent swimmers, paddling with their front paws and steering with their hind legs, like a rudder on a boat. They have a water-repellent coat that protects them from the icy water and frigid air, and a thick layer of body fat to keep them warm. Polar bears spend over half of their time hunting for food. Here in the tundra, polar bears are the ultimate predators. They use their strong sense of smell to hunt seals and crush the seal's head or neck with their powerful jaws. In fact, polar bears are known to be so strong that they can kill many animals with just a single swipe of their paw. However, unlike other bears, polar bears aren't territorial. Although they can be aggressive to protect their cubs, they are normally hesitant to actually enter into confrontation, and often choose to run away from a fight instead of engaging. Male polar bears fight aggressively over females. When challenging another bear to fight, a polar bear will lower his head, put his ears back, bare his teeth, and roar. While polar bears will occasionally fight to the death, the weaker bear usually surrenders after he is injured. As food sources are scarce in the Arctic in the summer, when the polar bear's icy habitat shrinks, bears also fight over food, particularly over whale carcasses that wash up on the shore. Seals are an important source of food for polar bears, as seals' bodies are packed full of blubber and fat, the kind of meat polar bears need for energy. A polar bear can eat 100 pounds of blubber in a single sitting. Before giving birth to her cubs in early winter, mother polar bear digs a small den, not much bigger than herself, where she will raise her cubs for the season. These dens stay warm because of the bear's body heat and tightly packed snow. For the next 2.5 years, the mother will teach her cubs how to swim, hunt, and survive in the harsh Arctic. This is the time the mother grows fiercely protective, fighting off anything that stands between her and her cubs, including other bears. Galaxies. The journey into deep space and the beginning of time. The universe started with a big bang. Millions of years later, once it had cooled sufficiently for stars and other matter to survive, galaxies began to form. A galaxy is a cluster of stars, gas, and dust clumped together by gravity. Galaxies exist in multiple shapes and sizes. Elliptical galaxies, shaped like stretched-out circles, and irregular galaxies, which are very bright.